Good morning. Welcome back to my story session. So, in my last story of Krishna's birth, I have told you about the birth of little Krishna. So, today I will tell you that when Krishna born, after that how he was being taken to his foster home. Now, where was the foster home? The foster home was, I'll tell you where. So, let's begin. As soon as Krishna was born, the guards manning Devaki and Vasudeva's cell went into a deep slumber, and the locks fell open. So, previously I told you that Vasudeva and Devaki was behind the bar, where they were tied with lots of locks, and they were tied with chains and everything. But when the moment Krishna born, then what happened? The guards who were manning Devaki, manning means who were guarding Devaki and Vasudeva at the cell, what happened? Went into a deep slumber, that is, they went into a deep sleep. So by the time, the moment when they went to sleep, then all the locks which were tying both Devaki and Vasudeva, they fell open, right? So then what happened? Then Vasudeva, what did he did? He placed baby Krishna in a wicker basket. Now, what is the meaning of wicker? Wicker are small twigs, yes, which are used to for making furnitures. Previously, the people used to use those wicker for tying, for making furnitures, for making baskets. So basically, those are pliable twigs. So what happened? That after Krishna born, then Vasudeva placed baby Krishna in a wicker basket, and then what he did? He left for Gokul. Yes, so Krishna was taken to Gokul. Now, what happened when he went out from the cell? When he reached Yamuna river, he found that it was flooded due to pouring rain. That means when Krishna born, then it was raining heavily. Yes, normally during the day of Janmashtami, we find heavy rains to occur. But this time we did not find any rain. Anyways, it was due to weather change. But that time when Krishna born, that night basically, when he born, then it was raining very heavily. So, when Vasudeva reached the bank of Yamuna river, he saw that it was flooded because it was raining heavily. Then, he felt very, he was very confused because he has to cross the river Yamuna. So then what did he do? He was very confused. He was thinking what to do. And he thought that he had to save Krishna's life. So, without fearing for his own life, because he has to save Krishna's life and Krishna was his son. So, as a father, he thought that whatever may be the situation, he has to save his child. So, he did not fear for his own life. So, what he did? He started walking across the river. Which river? River Yamuna. So, he started walking across the river. With his every step, you know what happened? With his every step, the waters receded. I mean that when he was walking through the river, slowly and steadily, when he was keeping his step one by one, the moment his step was placing on the inside the river bank, then what happens? The water receded. That means the water was going apart so that he can walk properly. And then you know what happened? Lord Vishnu's serpent, Adi Shesha. Now, what is meant by serpent? Serpent means the reptile or a large snake. So, we have learnt one new word, that is serpent. What is the spelling of serpent? S-E-R-P-E-N-T. P-E-N-T, serpent, and the meaning of serpent is reptile, which is the large snake. So the moment he was going through and it was raining heavily, so Vasudeva was very scared that how to save the life of Krishna. And you know what he did? He placed little Krishna into that basket which was made of twig, and he placed the basket over his head. And as a result, it was raining, so that's why Vasudeva was very scared that how to save Krishna. And I told you previously that little Krishna was the avatar of Lord Vishnu. Yes, so the moment he was going slowly within the river, he was walking, then Lord Vishnu, what he did, he sent his serpent Adi Shesha, who was protecting the baby. And what he did, the snake protected baby Krishna from the rain, thereby keeping keeping it like this. Think a basket on his head, and he was carrying it like this, and the snake was covering. The snake was covering as a like a umbrella, so that Krishna does not get wet. Yes, okay. So he was crossing the Yamuna river like this. Then you know what happened? Thereby he crossed the whole river, and ultimately he reached where? He reached Nanda's house. Yes, he reached Nanda's house, and then you know what happened? Then Vasudeva saw that Nanda's wife Yashoda had already given birth to a baby girl. A baby girl was lying beside Yashoda, and Yashoda and Nanda both was in deep sleep because it was in the mid of the night. Yes, it was so Vasudeva picked the baby girl up and placed Krishna beside Yashoda, and then he returned to the prison with the baby. Yes, and you know who was the baby with Vasudeva? The baby girl was with Vasudeva now, because he has placed Krishna at Nanda's house beside Yashoda, who was in a deep sleep. Then what happened? Devaki and Vasudeva had hoped that Kamsa would spare the baby girl, because the prediction, the prophecy. Now, what is the meaning of prophecy? Prophecy means the prediction, that is the forecast, which came the moment when he heard that the 8th son of Devaki is going to kill Kamsa. Yes, you remember I told you about that forecast which happened from the sky. So that's why Devaki and Vasudeva thought that since the 8th child was a baby girl, so that's why they thought that maybe Kamsa is not going to kill that child. Then what happened? Kamsa was informed, because the moment they returned with the baby girl, all the guards they come up from this deep sleep. They were not sleeping there. And then it was informed to Kamsa that Devaki has already given birth to the 8th child. So then you know what happened? Kamsa did not care, because whether it is a baby girl or a baby boy. What he did? He snatched the baby from their hands and flung her against the wall. The way he did for the past 6 to 7 times, he did the same. He snatched the baby and he flung her against the wall. The moment he did that, miraculously, the baby transformed into Goddess Durga. Yes, and informed Kamsa that Devaki's 8th son was alive and would soon come to him. So, what happened? When he snatched the baby and he thrashed the baby to the wall, then the baby, instead of getting hit from the wall, what happened? It transformed to Goddess Durga, who told him that little Krishna has already is already alive and he would soon come to Kamsa. So this was the story of how Krishna reached to his foster home, that is to Gokul. And from this story we have learned something we have learned some moral. Now what is that moral? That is, where there is a will, there is a way. Now how it is relating to this story? I said that where there is a will, there is a way, because from the beginning of the story, Vasudeva thought that maybe there's some way so that he can save his 8th child from Kamsa's hands, so that Kamsa should not kill that child. So then he thought that let's give a try and let's keep little Krishna away from Kamsa's hands, and thereby he thought that let's put Krishna to Gokul from Mathura. So that's why he thought that let's give a try. So here what he did, he has the will to save his child. So that's why he has tried, and ultimately he has succeeded in keeping Krishna there. So that's why what you should learn from this moral, rather from this story, that if anything you want to achieve in your life, then what you have to do, you have to first and foremost keep the focus on that thing, and then you have to make a wish that if I need to achieve this thing, if I need to achieve that goal, then I have to go through the path so that I can reach to my goal. And if you have the will to go through that path, though you are suffering from any sort of restrictions, but you have to make your mind that okay, if I need to reach those goals, I have to follow the path, and I have to keep myself the will that I need to achieve this. Then only you are going to succeed to your acquired goals. Yes, so this was the third story of our session. On my next session, I am going to tell you the next story which happened in Krishna's life. Till then, take care, stay safe and stay happy. Thank you. Bye.